Mastering, You're Acing This, a guide to encouragement in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or want to use yourself. You're acing this. It's a phrase packed with positivity and encouragement, and understanding it can add a wonderful nuance to your English conversations. Let's break it down together and see how you can use it to boost someone's confidence or express admiration for their skills. You're acing this is a colloquial expression used to tell someone they are performing exceptionally well in a particular task or activity. The word acing comes from the verb ace, which means to do something very successfully, especially to get a very high score on a test or exam. So, when you tell someone they're acing something, you're essentially saying they're excelling at it or achieving high marks. The origins of ace in this context are quite interesting. Originally, ace referred to a playing card with a single spot, the lowest card in its suit in many card games. However, in the context of tennis and other sports, an ace is a high-value term, signifying a serve that the opponent can't return. This dual nature of the word reflects its use in everyday language, to highlight when someone is doing something impressively well. In English, saying, "You're acing this," is often used in educational settings, like classrooms or study groups, but it's also common in casual, professional, and competitive environments. Whether someone is giving a presentation, playing a sport, or even just completing a task, this phrase is a way to encourage them and acknowledge their competence. Let's look at some examples of how and when you might use this phrase. 1. During a test or competition. Keep going, you're acing this, to motivate someone who is doing well. 2. In the workplace. After a colleague delivers an excellent presentation, you might say, "Fantastic job on that presentation. You are acing it." 3. In personal development. When a friend is learning a new skill and shows significant improvement, you could encourage them by saying, "You're really acing this guitar lesson." These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applicable in various scenarios where you want to boost someone's confidence or praise their performance. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "You're acing this." It's a powerful way to express support, admiration, and confidence in someone's abilities. By using it in your conversations, you can help create a positive atmosphere and encourage those around you to continue doing their best. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel more comfortable using this phrase in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotion and connection. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be acing your English communication. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.